welcome back to my channel, and today we will be looking at an application using Python food delivery GPS. Okay, so let us understand the problem statement first. Okay, so there is a friend of yours, and wait, okay, okay, so there is a friend of yours, and he has a pizza restaurant. Okay, but he is getting complaints about their home delivery service, about late deliveries. Okay, so your friend wants to ensure and keep a track that the pizza delivery people, they are not just roaming here and there, they are going straight to the location where they have to deliver the pizza. So for that, they have installed a GPS on the delivery bikes. Okay, delivery bikes. Okay, and but the problem is these delivery bikes, they store the data. I will show you. They store the data about the location of the bike in latitude and longitude, a list of latitude and longitude values. Okay, but if you give your friend this file, he cannot understand it whether the delivery bikes are straight away going to the location of delivery, or they're just roaming here and there, just merrymaking and delivering the food late. So what he does is we have to write a Python code that converts this latitude and longitude, list of latitude and longitude, comma separated data. First every row is containing first the latitude, first column, and second column the longitude. So we have to convert this into a form that your friend can understand. Okay, whether the delivery bike has taken the shortest route or not. Okay. So for this we have to write a code. For that we first imported the CSV library, comma separated value, then we run it. Okay. Then let us first open this sample GPS data.csv, which I showed you over here, in read mode, and print for every row. Okay, reader is the csv.reader, this f is this sample GPS data.csv. This will read the contents inside the file, and for every row in the reader we will print latitude and longitude. Every row, the first column is your latitude, and the second column, that is row of 1, is your longitude, and we will print those, and we will give a space between every latitude longitude, and then we will close this file. Let us run this again. Okay, so we can see the first latitude longitude, then space, then latitude longitude is being printed over here for the entire contents of the file. Now I installed a package known as gmplot using pip install gmplot. Okay, now we have imported the from gmplot, import gmplot. Okay, now what we are doing is we are creating a Google Map plotter object. Okay, so in gmplots Google Map plotter, we are giving the first latitude, the first longitude, and the zoom resolution, how much zoom level will be there. Okay, then we are using markers, which marker, with what type of marker we want to mark on the map, Google Map. Okay, then we are giving the file path, the CSV files path, which is the current working directory in this case, path of the file. Then we are initializing a variable to keep track of the first marker, because I want that the starting point of the bike, it should be marked with a yellow marker, and the last position where the bike went, it will be marked with a red marker, and remaining intermediate path will be marked with a blue marker. So if k is 0, that means no markers have been marked. This is the first marker. So what we are doing, try means we are keeping track of errors. Okay. So with open file path, the path of the file in read mode, we are reading the file. For every row in reader, what we are doing, check if the row has the required latitude and longitude column. It might be some error data might be there and it does not have the latitude or longitude values. So we are checking every row is at least 2 or not. If it is less than, having less than 2 elements length of the row, then it does not contain enough data and that row will not be printed. That is incorrect value, right? So we are converting the latitude from string to float, converting longitude from string to float, because in CSV every data is considered as a string. So from string we are converting it to float value. Okay, use different color for the first marker and subsequent markers will be colored using blue. Okay, so if your k is 0, that means this is the first marker. Gmap dot marker latitude longitude, it will be colored with yellow. Okay, and we will convert k to 1. Otherwise, if k is 1, that means it is the intermediate markers. We will color those markers in blue. Then we will be marking the last latitude and longitude in red. Okay. Okay. Gmap.marker latitude longitude red. Okay. Then we will draw the map into an HTML file, gmap.draw, and the path of your HTML file, which is known as mymap.html. We can see we have a mymap.html over here. And if some error is found, it will print the error. Okay, except means error. Except file not found error, then it will be printing that that file does not exist. And if there is any other exception, it will print an error, the what error occurred. Okay, let us run this. Now we will open the mymap.html, and it will show, we can see this yellow marker is the starting point of the bike and the red marker is the destination where the bike was supposed to deliver, and in between the blue are showing the position of the intermediate position of the bike. So the bike delivery person, he that did not straight away went to the destination. It was roaming here and there, and your friend gets to know that. So in this way you can plot uh, okay. So in this way you can uh, in this way you can help your friend uh, plot the latitude and longitude of the from the GPS on the map, and he will get to know whether his delivery boys, they are roaming here and there or straight away going to the delivery destination. Okay, so hope you like this video. Bye bye and take care.